Okay, wait. Maybe I'm not cooked. Maybe I'm not cooked. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not cooked. Hey, yo. I'm so glad I sat up here too. And we sadly wait 5 minutes. W's for real. I'm not cooked. But just watch when the actual live events come by. It's not gonna work. So if that happens, I have a second stream pulled up just so that I could watch it. Now you're not cooked? Yeah, when the actual live events come around, it's probably not gonna work. But just in case that happens, I have a second stream. Like, I'm watching a different stream. Just in case so that I can see what happens. And I'm not trying to miss it, you know? Same, comfy. So excited. Oh yeah, I'm definitely cooked. It's not gonna work. Look at the butterfly. Hello? Thank you. I'm cooked. It's official. I've made my decision. I'm cooked. For real, comfy. Yeah, look. I'm watching a different stream, and there's like a projecty thingy, like going up like from like there to there. Oh, got that. I'm cooked. It's official. I've made my actual decision. I'm cooked. I'm so hyped. Comfy, you should stream it. Do you have 50 subscribers? You have 83? Yeah, you should stream it. You should go live like right now, if you can. There's only like 50 seconds left. You're probably not gonna have time. Move, Laura. You're in the way. Bestie, move. Okay, wait. Maybe I'm not good. Maybe I'm not good. Woo! Woo! I had to. Woo! Emma's not cooked. I'm so excited. Same. I could go into full screen, but I want gameplay. Can you hurry up, please? I'm waiting. Bro, what is this? This is cooking. I can't. What is this? Hey, yo, where did they come from? Like, where did Ice Spice come from? Like, what? Wait. Of course you love Ice Spice Coffee. Okay, wait, but do you think, like, what if she's, like, the best, like, festival pass skin? Like, she would cook as a festival pass skin. These invisible people are eating. I won't tell anybody. Comfy, don't worry. What? This is cooking. I mean, it's like, mine's like extremely bad quality, but no, because what if she's actually like the next festival pass skin? I already heard leaks, so I don't think she would be, but what? This is enjoyable. Bro, what? Epic cooked with this. It's Snoop Dogg. Not because what if she's actually like a new skin? Yeah, what's up, Jeff? We're watching the live event right now, and it's Ice Spice. trying to jump high anymore. Oh man. Epic definitely cooked. Bestie, move. That's crazy. This is cooking. Oh my god. This is cooked. What the freak? I love Snoop Dogg. Epic Games cooked with this, bro. They cooked. Yeah, I will, Jeff. I will. I'm busy though. I'm busy. When it gets dark, I'll show my face. This is cooking. I can't. I literally love Snoop Dogg too. Nah, I can't, Jeff. Not right now. I don't look good right now. Okay, wait. Who else would they bring in? He better be a skin. Somebody better gift it to me. I'm just kidding. When you full screen, wait, is it the same for you? I flippin' love this. Same, bro. Is your quality this sucky too? Oh my gosh. First, it was Ice Spice. Okay, good. It's not just me. Now it's Snoop Dogg. Who doesn't like Snoop Dogg? Literally weirdos. And now it's orange. Like, what? They've cooked. I think it's official. They've cooked. Oh my gosh, I almost just fell back in my chair. I'm fine. Nah. This is awesome. Not the Meowscalis in the back. Society. I think they cooked. Ice Spice and Snoop Dogg, like who would have thought? Like this is like a Travis Scott kind of thing. I think they cooked. I'm very happy with Epic Games. I was about to sue, I'm not gonna lie. What's that say? Snoop Dogg move like. I only like going this far out because the quality's way better. I wonder how close I get, how good it looks. Does it still fling me backward? Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, I was definitely getting ready to sue too. Not anymore. Yeah, the quality's kind of cooked from up close too. But back here looks good. Or I could go like that. They've cooked. Bro, what? This is awesome. Am I about to get gulped or something? Sorry. I had to. Here's some motherfucking. What? I don't know why. I think they've cooked. Like, Epic Games cooked. Like, there will be no suing. Holy, bro got. Huh? Oh, he just got like gobbled up. Wait. What's up, Vallo? We're watching the live event right now. It's Snoop Dogg and Ice Spice. I think they've cooked. I think it's official. Like what? No, not right now, Jeff. Not right now. I will later, trust me. Okay, we're cooking. The butterfly is back. It's bright. Take it away, it's bright. When is later? Not that long, trust me, trust me, trust me. It's Ice Spice! She's in the game! I want it! Oh my gosh. Bro. Epic cooked. Nah, he better be a battle pass skin. Or else my allowance is gone. Gray, it's Ice Spa. It's Ice Spice. It's Ice Spice. Like, I actually can't wait. Like, they cooked. I'm... The M&M goes crazy. Bro, this TNT Tina. They didn't. They wouldn't have.